Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today guys, we're going to be opening December's Birchbox. Okay then, before we start, yes I am wearing pyjamas, but they're quite festive pyjamas, so I think we're kind of okay because it's December's Birchbox, which hopefully is a little bit Christmassy themed. So I've got the box here and this is looking a little bit festive. We've got some nice little trees and things and it is kind of gift wrapped almost, but the sticker is covering it. So anyway, I haven't opened it yet as you can see. So let's get opening it together. And we're in. Okay then guys, so let's just open it together. Ta-da! Ooh, it's sparkly! I love sparkly things. Oh, and the design continues kind of almost like on the outside. It actually matches the advent calendar I've got. I'll bring that in and show you in a second. But it's very, very sparkly. You can probably see it's like a beautiful blue glitter with some bronzy stars. I think it's absolutely stunning. Right, I'll go get the advent calendar. I'll show you what it looks like next to it. So this is the advent calendar I got from Birchbox. Watch my videos every day this month because I will be kind of doing a little mini review and discussing each product in here on the day that I open them. So this is the calendar. It's got bronzy stars again like the box has, and it's got the little like trees. So as you can see around the outside of the box, it's a very similar kind of trees. I don't know if I'm holding this up the best, I apologise if I'm not. And the top has the kind of same bronzy coloured stars. So I think they complement each other really nicely. Like I say, we've got the same trees and things. So that's really nice. Okay then guys, so here's the exciting part. We get to see what's inside. Now I don't know anything that's inside this month's box other than I think we got a sneak peek at the end of last month about a lipstick we got to choose. Now I didn't actually choose the lipstick in the end. There was a nice kind of like nude pink colour and a reddy colour. And basically I couldn't decide because the reddy kind of pink colour is probably something that I would prefer to use. It's more of a daily lipstick. However, I thought the red would be really nice for like the Christmas season. So I ended up leaving it to Birchbox to surprise me. So we shall see when we open up. So I'm just going to slide the drawer open, we'll have a little look together at what's inside and then I'll go through the products one by one whilst we go through the leaflet. So straight in there we can see all of our products, so the leaflet must be underneath. I will dig that out and we'll have a little look and see what we've got. You know, there's a lot of kind of products in there this month. Okay, so the leaflet says Twinkle All the Way, so I'm guessing that's the theme of this month's box. So let's read the little read up on all of these. So it says, hello Birchboxers, December has well and truly arrived. Seriously, where's 2018 gone? Word. To celebrate, we're embracing the glitz and glamour of the festive season with a seriously sparkly box, packed with goodies. From party-proof lippy to 2 extra little treats, we've got everything in place for you to twinkle all the way. So it sounds super duper exciting. Looking forward to finding out what's in there. I haven't really glimpsed at these yet, so let's see. So product number 1 is the lipstick that we got to choose last month. Now, I'm still not sure which colour I've got. And I still don't know because it's in a box. So basically we got the choice of 2 colours, Tidal or Power. I'm not entirely sure which one was which. So this is by Larizzi Cosmetics and it is a full-size item which would retail around £20. So let's open it up and see which colour I've got and then we'll read the little write-up. Okay, so I got the nice nude pinky colour, which I'm happy with. Like I said, I just didn't know which one to pick. I thought red would be really nice and Christmassy, but at the same time, this is so me, so fantastic. Okay then, so the little write-up on this says, this liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge. Plus, the comfortable texture means it won't settle into lines of your lips or leave them feeling dried out. Just apply it directly to your lips using the wand and relax, knowing that there's no need to reapply throughout the day. So that's nice, it sounds like it's going to last. So I'll just open it up a little bit. Okay, so it's just your usual applicator. I'm just going to give it a little swatch onto my hand. So it's much more deeper colour than I was expecting actually. But I think that'll be really nice actually. I do like that kind of colour. So happy with that. Although if it does last all day, I've now just drawn it on my hand. That's a good test. So I'm just going to pop that back in this box and we'll see what we've got next. So the next item in our box is this OK Bubble Sheet Mask. So let's see what this says about that. So it is a full-size item, but I genuinely don't know how you can do a sheet mask that isn't a full-size item. Like I said, you'd end up with like an eye mask or a nose strip. So anyway, this would retail at £7.50, so that's a decent price, so hopefully it's good. So the write-up on this says, this innovative sheet mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place it on your face. Not only does it result in hilariously foamy face, but it purifies and smooths the skin for a radiant complexion. Apply to clean skin and leave for 10 minutes, then remove and rinse your face clean. So I've had like bubbly masks before and they are quite amusing, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. It should be super fun. So it's made in Korea, it exfoliates and cleanses, and apparently gives you happiness every day. So basically, I think pretty much just what it says on the back is kind of what's in there, so I won't bother reading that out, but it sounds super duper fun. Ooh, the lipstick on my hands now kind of dried out and it's very matte. I really like that actually, I'm looking forward to trying that one. Anyway, our next item is this Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water, and this one isn't a full-size item, but if you were to buy the full size it would be £16, and in the full size it looks like you get 180 mils, but this is only 30 mils, so we're only getting a very small sample size here. But you know, saying that, I do love a good micellar water, so if this is any good, fantastic, and it's a good little travel size thing. So it says, gently remove makeup and sweep away impurities with this 99% natural cleansing water. Smoothing blend of peptides, chamomile, neroli and mandarin support your skin's natural regeneration process and fight signs of aging. Just apply to a cotton pad and sweep over dry skin, no rinsing required. So that should be a nice little thing to use to remove some makeup, and like it says, purifies impurities and whatever. So really nice and a good little travel size, so it could be taken away if you know you won't want to try the product here. Anyway, so that's a nice little product. Okay, then moving on to the next item in our box, and we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer or Blur Primer, and I've got the Photo Finish one, so that's fantastic. However, it's not a full-size item by any means. Okay, so on here we get 7.1 mils, and the full-size item is 30 mils. So I suppose it's a decent-ish size. Let's open this little packet and see how big it looks. Okay, so this is the little product we get, and again it's a good little handy travel size item that'll fit nicely in a makeup bag on the go. So let's read what it says about this. Clear gel primer that smooths out pores, fine lines and wrinkles, meaning it's great for wearing on its own or creating an even base for the rest of your makeup. Use your fingers to work a pea-sized amount onto clean moisturised skin and leave it for a few seconds. Okay, so I have heard of this primer before, and I think I've actually tried it before, and I think it's really nice. Again though, it's not the biggest of products, but you know, it's £26 at full price, and this is just less than a third. So, you know, you're getting a decent amount really for your money. And, you know, again, like I say, it's a travel size thing, so it's going to be really good to slip in a handbag. And I look forward to trying this, actually, so happy with that. Oh, I should probably add, there's a few things on the little card, actually. So, it's the original Blur. So it says there are 10,000 plus 5-star reviews online. 93% of people using it saw smoother skin. 93% saw blurred imperfections. And 95% said that their makeup went on flawlessly. So that's really nice. It says that it makes makeup last for hours and hours, instantly blurs fine lines and pores, blends of vitamins A and E, grapeseed extract and green tea in there. It's lightweight and oil-free, and it's good for all skin types. So like I say, it's a nice product, looking forward to using it. Okay then, so the last of our 5 items in this month's box is this Percy & Reed Totally TLC Hydrating Mask for your hair. And this isn't a full-sized item, it's just kind of a sample sachet. So at full size, this would retail at £22, and you would get 175 ml at the full size, and in here we just get 25 mils. So that feels like it might do me maybe a couple of uses, because I don't have as longer hair anymore. So, not bad. Let's read what it says. So it says, no matter how thick or thin your hair is, all strands need one thing, moisture. This is just the mask to give them what they crave. Brimming with nourishing ingredients, it leaves hair soft, manageable and conditioned. Use it in place of your conditioner, then leave on for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse, then style as usual. So the last hair mask I got in the Birchbox, I really wasn't blown away with. But I've had things from Percy and Reed before and I actually quite like some of them, so I'm looking forward to giving that one a go. And you know, for the winter, some kind of SOS treatment is really nice for your hair, and it's quite a pampery thing to do, to kind of put on a hair mask. So we've got a hair mask and a face mask in there. Okay, so like I said, that's the last of our 5 items. However, Birchbox have kindly snuck in there a couple of extra treats this month. I'm guessing maybe because it's Christmas, so that's really nice of them. Okay, so the first of our 2 treats then is this. We have a Birchbox hair comb. So it's this kind of chunky, big-toothed hair comb. And the little write-up on this says, this plastic comb is hard on tangles but easy on hair. The wide teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing any breakage. We love using it on hair mask day to comb the product through our tresses for a root to tip treatment. So I'm guessing that's meant to be used with the Percy and Reed hair mask that we got in there. So that's really nice. It says this would retail at £5. And it's got kind of, it's blue with a bit of a funkier pattern on there. Quite nice. I mean, I don't know if I am in need of this, but it's really nice to get an extra little surprise from Birchbox. And I will definitely be using it when I come to use my hair mask. So the last treat in this month's box from Birchbox is this Hotel Chocolat chocolate duo. So it says, we're advocates of treating yourself all year round, but there's something about December that calls for a little more indulgence. So in here it looks like we get 2 chocolates, a special treat for your December Birchbox, although you're sweet enough already. And I'm assuming, are they in a little packet? Yeah. So I can show you the two little chocolates. One, it's got a white swirl on there and the other one seems to have like a pinky swirl. I don't think it actually says what the difference in the chocolates are. It just says, please note that Hotel Chocolat are made in a factory that handles tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, milk and soya, therefore may contain traces of each. Refer to the product packaging for full information. There's nothing about flavours on there. There's actually nothing also about being suitable for vegetarians. Well, I've had Hotel chocolates before and I'm sure they did have that on there. Ah, it does say it's suitable for vegetarians, so that's good. I thought there were. I just missed it. There's quite a lot of writing on the back. And I've also noticed it says there's a caramel chocolate in there, but I'm not sure what the other one is. Does it say? Like, there's a lot of writing. Not entirely sure. But anyway, really, really nice to get some chocolates in there. Although I'm sure I'll be getting plenty more this December. We always tend to overdo it with chocolates. But Hotel Chocolats are really nice. So quite a packed Birchbox this month. I'm actually struggling to get them all to stay in the box. But you know, there's a few really nice things in there, so it's really nice. I'll just show you them on the card because it's kind of hard to hold everything in that box. So I'm looking forward to trying the lipstick. I think the bubble sheet mask and the hair mask coupled with the comb is going to be a really pampering-y treat. And the chocolate's also very indulgent. The Smashbox primer is a wonderful primer, so I'll look forward to trying that. The Balance Me cleansing water, so it's a very small sample, so, and to be honest, I love Garnier's micellar water usually, so that tends to do the job for me. But anyway, not a bad month, not like blown away. I was kind of hoping for more of a Christmassy theme in there, but I guess not everybody celebrates Christmas, so perhaps that's what it is. But it does feel like a very pampering-y month. You know, you've got things for your Christmas parties, you can use your primer and your lipstick, things for a good old pamper. So I think that's really nice. Like I said, they've not done bad at all. Okay then, so a little look on the back to see what next month's sneak peek is. So it says on here, your January sneak peek is, you get to pick between a full-size Clay Cosmetics Essence Moonlight Cushing, which is worth £22. Now, is it an eyeshadow? They're very dark, so I'm assuming they're not a highlighter. Add a luminescent glow to skin with this lightweight moisturising highlighter. Keep an eye on your inbox to pick your favourite. Oh, okay. So they are highlighters. They're very, very dark. Neither of those will be any good for me as a highlighter. Although they may be quite nice as an eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm not sure about those shades as highlighters at all. But you know, like I said, eyeshadow might be nice. We'll wait and see when it comes. So, not bad. Although the last item we did get from this brand, I was quite excited to try. It was, I don't know if you can remember, the powder lip balm. I didn't like it. It was in the box. It was a bit of a disaster for me. I didn't like any of the products. So I will give them another try though, and we will see what this one's like next month. Now, next month for January, I might actually start another subscription box. So drop a comment below and let me know if there's any you think I should try. I'm thinking of maybe either doing a Look Fantastic or glossy box. So let me know what you guys think of that. So that was this month's box. If you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already, because it'd be fantastic to have you here. There's a Birchbox advent calendar unboxing every single day leading up to Christmas. And there's a giveaway coming very, very soon. So make sure you subscribed. And until my next video, I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.